Hi, Dr. Porwal. It's Julianne and William, and we're here in Maryland, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for everything you have done for me, and by extension, my family. Going to India was a scary decision, but I am so glad we did because you fixed me after so many people could not.
Hello, Dr. Ashwin. Coach Mark here. Just want to say thank you for everything. It's been great. I'm doing great. Couldn't be happier. Lifting all of this equipment every day. And here's the missus. She didn't get to come on the trip. She wanted to say hi as well. We hope all is well.
Hi to Dr. Ashwin and all of the staff at Healing Hands Clinic. I just wanted to say a really heartfelt thank you.
To say thank you to Dr. Ashwin Porwal and the entire team at Healing Hands Clinic in Pune, India. I was a patient of Dr. Porwal's back in July of 2022 due to my super complex fistula that I suffered with for 14 years due to my Crohn's disease.
Thank you for everything. You've really changed your life and changed his life. Quality of life is so much better. Yeah.
Want to give a smile? Be a sign?